Wahala don't burst. Nnamdi Kanu don't change am for everybody. I won't make una pay serious attention. Watch this video from the starting to the ending. Listen to every single thing will happen for God. Nnamdi Kanu change am for everybody to show say he's very angry with wetin they go on in judiciary, in courts in Nigeria. In fact, he's very angry on every single thing. I no go just talk more. Listen to what this analyst said and drop your opinion at the comment section. Listen to this video carefully, bit by bit, and share it to everybody right now. ASAP. Share it to everyone on every social media platform so that they go see wetin they go on and the injustice where they go on. Just share them now so that you no go forget. No forget to share it right now, and make sure you click the subscribe button and drop your opinion at the comment section. This is why you need to click the subscribe button so that we will give you updates on every single thing where they happen for this country, Nigeria and Biafra. Thank you.
You're doing, leave it and focus on this video, or go and finish it up, and when you're through, come back to the video because you don't want to miss a bit of it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, when the case was called, he stood up and told the court clearly that you see today, I cannot defend my case because Kanu Agabi, who is my lead lawyer, who is a son, has seized my file, has seized my case file. So I can't defend myself. As you can see, I'm not with my case file. So what do you want me to do in court? So that was what Kanu told the court, that please give me time so that I can at least retrieve this file from Kanu Agabi. Because I don't know why I just sacked these people from work and they don't want to return my file. I mean, give me time to know or to retrieve my file from them so that I can use that file, to proceed with my case, sir. And that was what he told the court. Definitely, this was one strong, significant part of today's court session, because without that case file, nothing Kanu could do. Kanu cannot proceed from where they stopped. He needed that file at least to take home on that other day, which is yesterday, to go to the cell, to the prison, and read through to know what next step he is going to take. And look at it now. Kanu Agabi has seized the file, which he was supposed to hand over formally in court on the day they were relieved of their duty. Very importantly, I want to read this report for you. So please listen very carefully. Don't say that you did not hear. Listen to this. So Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader who entered the courtroom clutching a bundle of documents, personally announced his appearance and told the judge that his dismissed legal team had refused, that's the word, refused to release his case file. An action, he said, prevented him from preparing adequately for his defense. He therefore pleaded for an adjournment to enable him retrieve and study the file before proceeding with his defense. He said, "My lord, my counsel left the case yesterday and I have not received the file from them." Nnamdi Kanu said that. Nnamdi Kanu also told the court that he planned to call 23 witnesses, including both local and foreign individuals, in this defense. He therefore asked the court to issue an order compelling the DSS to grant his foreign witnesses access to him. He further requested that his lawyers be permitted to visit him even on non-working days, a request that Justice Omotosho granted. However, counsel for the federal government, which is Awomolo, described Kanu's complaints as strange, arguing that Nnamdi Kanu had previously spent several hours in court with his former legal team. He urged the court to enforce its earlier order, giving Kanu 6 days to open and conclude his defense. The prosecution said, "I am aware that there is standing order for the defendant to defend himself within 6 days. The defendant wasted yesterday's time in court. This is the second day, my lord. I urge your lordship to keep to the standing order of the number of days given to the defendant." That is, the federal government lawyer was saying this. In his ruling, Omotosho said that while Kanu's claim about the withheld file was strange and difficult to believe, he will still grant a short adjournment in the interest of justice. The judge cautioned against unnecessary delays, stressing that several other cases had been affected by the protracted proceedings. The matter was subsequently adjourned to Monday, October 7th, for Kanu to open his defense. Let me start with Agabi's case file. I want to address this withheld file by Kanu Agabi. Please, is Kanu Agabi being owed money? Kanu Agabi, are you being owed? At least if you were being owed, by now you would have said it in the interview you granted yesterday, that they are owing you money, oh, that please, oh, and with this file, if you don't pay me, I won't give you this case file. Are we owing Agabi any money? Please, somebody tell me. Because that's the only reason why you walk out, without giving Nnamdi Kanu the file yesterday. Because you were supposed to hand over that file. Yesterday, you were supposed to bring it to the court. I'm sure you brought it to the court. So if you came with the file to the court, why would you walk away with the same file when you are no longer the lawyer? Are we owing you money? Or are you just bitter? Are you just bitter that you have been sacked? Or perhaps is this just an oversight, a mistake perhaps? Because the way Nnamdi Kanu sounded in court, he did not sound like this was an oversight. He sounded because it was clear to him that there was a game being played. So please, Kanu Agabi, please come out to an interview and tell us if we are owing you money so that we can pay you. So that we can pay you. I don't know how much your money is. Is it heaven and earth? No matter how much, let us pay you. Please give us this file. I beg. I beg in the name of God. Please, give us the file so that if he wants to use the file, he will use it. If he don't want to use them, he don't pay on one side. Please, Oga, give us this file, I beg. You are no longer the lawyer. What are you doing with the file? Do you want to now share it with the government? Do you want to now share with our enemies? Because the way it is going now, I don't know what to believe anymore. I'm actually not trusting anybody again around Nnamdi. I don't trust anybody again at this point that is around Nnamdi Kanu. Because nothing stops you from carrying that file to hand over to people that are not supposed to see it. Please carry that file and give Nnamdi Kanu there in court, because it is now compromising evidence. Because now you are no more the lawyer. You are not supposed to be in custody of property of a defendant. Yes, that's the truth. Please, if you are owing you money, say we are owing you money. If you're not owing you money, please release that file. Please release that file. So that you don't leak, things don't leak from your office to people that are not supposed to see the details of the defense. Please. Also, I'm very happy at the way Nnamdi Kanu is dictating the pace of this case as it is now. Nnamdi Kanu is leading the way in court. He is the one dictating the pace, and I can see it is preparing Omotosho. Omotosho is not happy at the way Nnamdi Kanu is the one that is that is leading the way. It's painful, You come to court, you want to start off a case, all of a sudden one party just scatters it. It's what people have been doing since now. So let us do small. Allow Nnamdi Kanu. Don't rush Nnamdi Kanu. Don't rush him. He is going to do the case the way he wants to do it. So follow him now. The time he has been following you, it's gone. This man has spent 10 years begging you for a case. Do case you don't want to do. Oh yeah? You will do that case according to his pace now. You see that case, we go do and finish. So in the case when I want, just calm down. We'll go do this case, We'll not go tire for case. You see this Nnamdi Kanu's pace, we will follow him. All of you, prosecution, judge, we will follow Nnamdi Kanu. Don't rush him. If you are tired, close your court. It's not by force now. If you don't want to do the case, close the court, adjourn it till next year. But if you want to do the case, allow Nnamdi Kanu. Allow Nnamdi Kanu. Don't rush him. He said he does not have his file. So follow his pace. Next court case is coming also. Anyhow, it happened that if he's not feeling fine that day, court will not hold that day. Leave it. He does not have lawyers again. Anything to do, do. Whatever you want to do in your court, do now. Who is afraid of this now? We're not afraid of it. The man you see there is a man that is ready to die at any point. What are you doing in the court? What are you judging there? How many times will he defeat you in court? How many courts will you go with him? He will defeat you. How many? You want him to come and defend himself? Don't worry. He's coming. He's coming. Defense. You already know what you want to do in that court. Why are you pretending yourself? Why are you deceiving yourself? Please allow Nnamdi Kanu, I beg. Allow him. Funny people. Please, Nnamdi Kanu, take your time. We are with you. No, those time have passed where we are rushing. We don't want to rush them again. Take your time. When you are ready to defend, we are here. So that's exactly how today's court went. And I am very proud of Nnamdi Kanu, who has taken the bull by the horn. Please, in other news that broke out today, Omoyele Sowore and Aloy Ejimako were actually granted bail by the magistrate court. This is a reminder that injustice cannot be sustained. A house built on a faulty foundation can never stand.
Hello. They tried everything they can to break us, but they can't break us. They cannot break us. We are unbreakable. We are unbreakable. Justice. We are unstoppable. And majority on separate.
Yes, that was the protesters, alongside Sowore and Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers, as they were granted bail in court and they were effecting their release. That is them jubilating. But in a sudden twist of events, in a shock twist of events, do you know that Sowore was rearrested? Immediately, they were released. The police sent special forces to particularly pick him up and rearrest him for charges that we are not aware of, for charges that nobody knows. Yes, this is what happened. Listen to this video.
Sowore has been granted bail. However, while we were conferring with him just here, with all the team of his lawyers and supporters, he was violently attacked by the police. More than 50 police officers violently attacked him and took him again by force. We do not know where they are taking him to. They claim the officer who initiated the attack claimed that he had gotten the remand order. He flashed the remand order to us, but we insisted on seeing and reviewing the details. But he refused and put it back in his pocket. And the next thing he said that they must go. We said, where are you taking him to? He said they are taking him to Kuje prison.
That is the country called Nigeria. When you are about to put one leg, they bring 3 legs. When you are about to enjoy victory, they try to snatch it away from you. They can never let you sleep well at night. In fact, Nigeria is the weapon fashioned against Nigerians. What is the offense of Sowore now? You granted him bail, and if you want to rearrest him, is at the door of the prison, at the door of the cell where he's trying to go. You now rearrest him for a man that is trying to effect his bail release, for the man that is about to go home. What kind of trauma is this?
This is to show how lawless with this our country just did. Now the reason we make Manson and the Kalu, they call them names. That time we be saying they even broadcast. Now the reason, if now the reason when they even call them names. You just see person just arrest now. We be say where they right for constitution. We be say person just have the right to even agitate. Person have the right to even protest. Person have the right to even be person. And I am the problem again. Why go even arrest person? We be saying they even talk. They think no even make sense. How they think they even make sense for this our country? We will just even day. Sometimes I go to the wonder say which kind of country we be say we just find ourselves into. They even see other countries the way they take behave. They don't even say may they implement this attitude or how did they do things or to say okay, we just do the right thing the way we did. And sometimes I go just wonder what thing they happen. You could just the short people mouth make they not talk. People they for bush they commit all the whole atrocity. Una no go even say okay, me una just go to enter bush, me una do the right thing or me una arrest those people. Una no go arrest them. Now you just keep person for detention for how many years for where we say he never even do anything. How does he make sense? How is he even making sense to themselves? Sometimes I go just did they even think at all? Did they even read at all? It's a shameful thing where is a big and a shameful disgrace. Everything we would do, every time we clamor about this, every time we would they don't go even say okay, maybe they can okay, when I want to change, when I want okay, when I say when I this thing I change. Okay, now me when I do the change, me when I just try small. I know if you try. Well, I don't go even I beg me when I share this video to everyone on every social media platform so that everybody will see what the atrocity where they happen for this our country, Nigeria.